Explore a great man's biography in minutes. Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein is known as the father of modern physics. He was born in the Kingdom of Württemberg, German Empire, on March 14, 1879. His father's name was Hermann Einstein, and his mother's name was Pauline Koch. He was born into a Jewish family. His father was a salesman of electrical goods, and his mother was a housekeeper. In 1880, the family moved to Munich. In 1894, when Einstein was 15, his family moved to Italy, first to Milan and a few months later to Pavia. Albert attended a Catholic elementary school in Munich from the age of 5 for 3 years. At the age of 8, he was transferred to the Luitpold Gymnasium, where he received advanced primary and secondary education. The 12-year-old Einstein taught himself algebra and Euclidean geometry. After graduation, Einstein spent 2 years searching for a teaching job but didn't find one. Finally, he got a position as an assistant examiner at the Federal Office for Intellectual Property at the Patent Office. Einstein married Mileva Marek in January 1903, and they had 3 children, Liesel Einstein, Hans Albert Einstein, and Eduard Einstein. In 1905, he completed his thesis entitled A New Determination of Molecular Dimensions, for which he was awarded a Ph.D. by the University of Zurich. That same year, he published 4 groundbreaking papers focused on the photoelectric effect, Brownian motion, the special theory of relativity, and the equivalence of matter and energy. These papers brought Einstein to the limelight and he became instantly famous, recognized as a leading scientist. In 1908, he was appointed as a lecturer at the University of Bern. However, Einstein quit this position, as well as his role at the Patent Office, to take up a position as a physics docent at the University of Zurich. In 1911, he became a full-time professor at Karl Ferdinand University in Prague. Einstein separated from his wife Mileva in 1914. In 1916, Einstein was appointed president of the German Physical Society, a position he held for 2 years. During this time, he also became a member of the Prussian Academy of Sciences. Their divorce was finalized on February 14, 1919, and he married Elsa Lowenthal on June 2, 1919. He was officially invited by the mayor of New York on April 2, 1921, and delivered several lectures at Columbia and Princeton universities. He then moved to Washington, D.C. and visited many countries including Singapore, Seoul, Japan, and Belgium to serve as a lecturer. Suddenly, a new law was enacted in Germany prohibiting Jews from holding official positions, including teaching at universities. Not only was Einstein's work targeted, but he himself was also on a list of assassination targets by the Nazis, with a $5,000 bounty on his head. Einstein found temporary shelter in England and then decided to permanently stay in the United States, applying for citizenship. He gained permanent citizenship in the United States in 1940. In his later years, Einstein was even offered the position of President of Israel but declined, stating that he had neither the aptitude nor the experience. In 1921, he received the Nobel Prize in Physics, and in 1929, he was presented with the Max Planck Medal of the German Physical Society in Berlin. The chemical element Einsteinium was named in his honor. He died in Princeton, New Jersey, on April 18, 1955, at the age of 76.
Congratulations on finishing this section. To improve your English, it is crucial to persistently practice. Finally, We would be most grateful if you could kindly subscribe, like, and share our channel in order to remain well informed and up to date.